Hey there everyone, it's your friendly neighborhood minifigure here, and welcome back to another LEGO review. Today we are looking at the LEGO City Electric Sports Car set. The set serial number is 60383, it has 95 pieces, it came out in 2023, and it currently retails for $10 in the US. Now let's take a look at our minifigure here. Here's the front of him. There's the side, there's the back, and there's the other side. And here's a better look at his face without the hat on. Alright, now here's an actual look at the sports car. Here it is from the front, from the side, from the back, and from the other side. Here, now for the car, you're able to take off these two windshield pieces to reveal an interior, which only has space to store one minifigure in it. And you've also got this adjustable rear spoiler, or rear wing as well. And the set also comes with this this mini electric charging station as well. So here's the front of it, the side, the back, and the other side. And what you can do with this is you can take this piece off right here, and you can stick it onto either of these two points here, like so. And you can pretend that the minifigure is charging his car, like this. So anyways, that about does it for all the play features of the electric car. Overall, I think that this is a pretty fine set. It's got a nice, cool design to it. It doesn't have too many play features. I mean, it's a pretty small set, so of course there's not going to be a whole ton of playability with it. But if you're a LEGO fan who also enjoys cars, I think you're going to enjoy this set. Now, for the price, I guess the price per part ratio is fine. It's got about 100 pieces, so of course it would cost about $10, but I think $10 for just this car and just this charging station is a bit much. I think a better price would have been around $5. I think the set should have maybe included something more than just the car and the charging station to justify the $10 price. But yeah, other than the price, like I said, this is a very good set overall. It's got a nice design, and yeah, I think if you're a car and a LEGO fan, you'll enjoy this set very much. Anyways, that was my review of the LEGO City Electric Sports Car set. I hope you liked that review, and if you did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and ring the notification bell for new videos. Thank you, bye!